Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Natural Pace English.
Hello! Watch this video first and try to listen carefully to our words.
After the video finishes, download the free study workbook using the link in the description or the pinned comment.
It has great exercises to test your understanding. Let's start today's story.
Jim, look at the ocean.
Wow! I see a big black and white animal.
It is an orca.
An orca. Some people call them killer whales.
Yes, orcas are whales, but they are also dolphins.
They are dolphins and whales? How is that possible?
All dolphins belong to the whale family. Scientists call them toothed whales.
Toothed whales? So they have teeth?
Yes, exactly. Orcas are the biggest animals in the dolphin family.
I did not know that. That is very interesting.
Yes, they are very large dolphins. Look, there are more orcas.
I see 3 orcas swimming together.
A group of orcas is called a pod.
A pod? That is a nice word. Do they always live in a pod?
Yes. Orcas live in family pods for their whole lives. They love their families.
Look at the big orca. It jumped out of the water.
That was beautiful. Orcas are amazing swimmers. They are also very smart.
Smart? Like humans?
Very smart. Every pod has its own language. They make different sounds to speak.
So, a pod from one ocean cannot understand a pod from a different ocean?
Exactly. They have different dialects.
That is incredible. What do they eat?
They hunt together. They eat fish, seals, and sometimes other large sea animals.
Like a team?
Yes, they hunt like a team. They practice different strategies to catch food.
The mother orca is swimming with a very small orca.
That is her baby. A baby orca is called a calf.
A calf. The calf is staying very close to its mother.
Orca mothers are very protective. The calf stays with its mother for many years.
Are orcas in danger?
Some pods are endangered. Pollution in the ocean makes them sick.
That makes me sad. The ocean is their home. We must protect the ocean.
Yes, Jim. We must protect the ocean so the orcas can survive.
Look, the pod is swimming into the deep water now.
They are beautiful, wild animals.
I am so happy we saw them today.
Me too, Jim. Me too.
Okay, now a question for our listeners. Do you like orcas? What is your favorite sea animal?
Tell us in the comments. Try to write your answer using simple sentences.
We read every comment. Please subscribe for a new video every week.
Thank you for listening to Natural Pace English. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!